Hey travelers, and welcome back to FamVista. Picture this. You've packed the perfect carry-on, you've got your boarding pass ready, and you're feeling confident. But as you get to the gate, you're stopped. Your bag is an inch too big, a pound too heavy, and suddenly you're forced to pay a hefty fee and check the bag you carefully packed. It's happening to thousands of travelers in 2025. Airline rules aren't just changing, the enforcement is getting stricter, smarter, and more automated than ever before. But don't worry, our goal here at FamVista is to make you the smartest traveler in the terminal. Today, we're breaking down the essential 2025 carry-on rules you absolutely must know. So stick with me, because this information will save you money, time, and a whole lot of stress on your next trip. Number 1. The universal size and weight crackdown. For years, there was a little wiggle room with carry-on size. Not anymore. Major airlines are now aligning on a single, strict, universal carry-on size, 21.5 by 14 by 9 inches. And yes, that includes the wheels and handles. The problem? Over 60% of carry-on bags that people already own are technically too big now. And airlines are enforcing this rigidly. Many airports have installed new automated and digital bag sizers at checkpoints and gates. If your bag doesn't fit, there's no arguing with the machine. It will get flagged, and you'll be forced to check it. It's not just about size. Weight limits, which were common in Europe and Asia, are now being strictly enforced by US-based airlines too. Expect a limit of 7 to 10 kilograms, that's about 15 to 22 pounds. Gate agents are asking passengers to place their bags on scales right before boarding. Number 2. The incredible shrinking personal item. The definition of a personal item has also been tightened. That tote bag, small backpack, or laptop bag now has one critical rule. It must fit entirely under the seat in front of you. No exceptions. And the unofficial but widely used dimension for this is around 18 by 14 by 8 inches. Gate agents are actively inspecting these items, especially on full flights. If your personal item is sticking out into the aisle or is too bulky to be stowed, it will be reclassified as a carry-on, and you might have to pay for it or check it. Number 3. The Smart Bag Battery Mandate. Smart luggage is incredibly popular, but in 2025, the rules are non-negotiable. If your bag has a built-in battery, that battery must be removable. Bags with non-removable lithium batteries are being rejected at security checkpoints. This isn't just bureaucracy, it's about safety. On January 28, 2025, an Air Busan flight in South Korea had to be evacuated at the gate after a portable battery caught fire. That incident has prompted authorities to get even tougher. Here are the power bank rules. Up to 100 watt-hours is okay in your carry-on. Between 100 and 160 watt-hours, you need airline approval. And anything over 160 watt-hours is completely banned from the plane. And never pack power banks in your checked luggage. If one catches fire in the cargo hold, nobody can get to it. Intermission. Surprising items banned from your carry-on. Okay, we've covered the big rules, but now for the fun part. Let's talk about some perfectly normal items that are banned from your carry-on and could get you stopped at security. First, powders. In the US, any powdery substance over 12 ounces needs extra screening. This includes things like flour, baby powder, and even bath salts. Why? Because powders can be used to hide dangerous materials. Next, camping gear. Heading for the great outdoors? Your tent poles and stakes have to be checked. Security considers them sharp objects that could potentially be used as weapons. Finally, mercury thermometers. This one seems old school, but if you have a mercury thermometer, leave it at home. They are completely banned because if they break, it's a toxic spill emergency. Digital thermometers are fine. Number 4. The liquid rule is here to stay. There was a lot of buzz in 2024 about UK and EU airports scrapping the 311 liquid rule thanks to new scanners. Well, plot twist, it didn't work out. Many UK airports that relaxed the rule have now reinstated the old 100 milliliter limit due to security concerns. And for now, every single airport in the EU is sticking to the old restrictions. So what does this mean for you in 2025? It means the 311 rule is the law of the land. That's liquids in containers of 100 milliliters or less, all fitting in one clear, resealable plastic bag. This rule exists for a serious reason. It was created after a 2006 terrorist plot was stopped where attackers planned to use liquid explosives disguised in soft drink bottles. Number 5. The hidden fees from exemptions ending. This change is catching so many travelers off guard. Those bags from the duty-free shop? On many airlines now, they count towards your carry-on allowance. The days of carrying on your suitcase, a personal item, and a big bag of duty-free liquor are ending. Even worse, gate checking your bag is no longer a freebie. If your bag doesn't comply with the new size or weight limits, you'll be charged a fee at the gate, and it's often more expensive than checking a bag from the start. Number 6. The AI is watching. Finally, the biggest behind-the-scenes change for 2025 is the rollout of AI-enhanced screening systems. These aren't just concepts, they're being deployed in major airports worldwide. These systems automatically scan luggage for size, weight, and even battery contents. Some airlines are even using AI and cabin sensors to predict how much bin space will be used, automatically flagging later boarding groups for gate checks before they even line up. What does this mean? Relying on luck or a lenient gate agent is no longer a strategy. Compliance has to be exact. So there you have it. Air travel in 2025 demands smarter preparation. Measure and weigh your bags, make sure your smart luggage has a removable battery, stick to the liquid rule, and always plan for your bags to be inspected closely. Following these rules will give you the clarity to travel confidently. That's our promise here at FamVista. If this video helped you, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And subscribe for more smart travel tips, flight hacks, and trusted advice that makes every trip stress-free. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's the craziest airline rule you've ever encountered? Until next time, travel smart.